Welcome to Siledge Academy. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about equations. Like we know, there are different types of equations, both quadratic equations, simultaneous equation, and others. But in this video, we'll be breaking it down. We're starting from the basic, because if you don't understand this video, you won't be able to understand the other advanced form of equations that we have. Now, in this video also, you must make sure you understand algebra, all the basics, the foundation of algebra, because most of the equations we are dealing with here come from algebraic expression. Okay, so the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation is this equality sign here. The equality sign here is what makes it an equation. At the end, we only have 4x plus 3 or 4x plus 3y or 4y plus whatever. That is an algebraic expression, but the equality sign here makes it an algebraic equation. So let's dive into it immediately. This question says 4y plus 3 is equal to 13. So how do we go about this? Here's the first thing. We have to, our goal here is to make this y stand alone, because this is the unknown. That's what we are looking for. So in trying to make this y stand alone, we have to remove everything here that is stopping it from standing alone, moving all of them to the other side mathematically. We are not going to do it with magic. Okay, so let's go. We have this 4y plus 3 is equal to 13. The first thing we have to do here is to move this plus 3 over to this side. Right, there's a mathematical explanation to that, meaning that you are subtracting 3 from both sides. So what do I mean? You have 4y. Maybe I'll do this properly in this first video, then in the second one we'll do it the normal way you are used to. So you have 4y plus 3. So we'll subtract 3 from both sides. Minus 3 is equal to 13 minus 3. That's one thing about equations. Whatever you do to the left hand side, you make sure you do the same to the right hand side. Okay, so plus 3 minus 3 will give you 0. So we've succeeded in eliminating the 3. Remember, our goal is to make y stand alone, so we are eliminating everything that is stopping the y from standing alone. So 4 plus 3 minus 3 is 0. So our 4y is now standing alone. Then 13 minus, so 13 minus 3 will give us 10. We have 10. Are you seeing it now? So, but the one you are familiar with, maybe in your primary school or your basic secondary school, you are told that you cross the 3 over to this side, then the plus sign changes to minus. This is what brought about that theology. Okay, so let's go. Our goal now is to make y stand alone. So how do we make y stand alone? We have to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, we have divided by 4 divided by 4. Remember, whatever you do to the left hand side, you also do it to the right hand side. So if we divide both sides by 4, our y will now stand alone, because 4, we cancel 4. Then your y will now be equal to 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4 will give you 2 whole number, 2 over 4. Are you seeing it now? So our y is equal to, because 10 in 4 in 10, 10 divided by 4 will give you 2, remainder 2. So that's what we have here. Then you have your 2 whole number. There's a number that can divide 2 and 4. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. So you have 2 number 1 over 2. So this is our final answer. Very simple. So in this second equation, this is the second question. You can always pause the video and try it out on your own. So I left this first question here so that you can take the steps here to solve this second question. It's the same thing. Okay, just that in this one, the constant is on the right hand side and the expression is on the left hand side. But in this one, the constant is on the left hand side and the expression is on the right hand side. But they're still the same thing. You can also apply the same method and solve it. So let's go. We have to use the normal solving that you all know, the normal method that you all know, by moving 7, this minus 7 over to this side, and it becomes plus 7. So we have 46 this minus sign becomes plus 7 when you move it over to the other side. Remember, our goal is to make the unknown, which is x, stand alone. So 46 plus 7 is equal to 5x. So 5x is now standing alone. Are you seeing it now? So 46 plus 7 will give us 53. 53 is equal to 5x. Now, in trying to make 5 stand alone, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. So let's divide everything here by coefficient of x, which is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So here 5 can cancel 5. Okay, our x, so we now say 53 divided by 5. So it's more like saying 50 divided by 5, which is 10, remember 3. So you have your 10 whole number, 3 over 5. This is equal to x. So now we can say that our x is equal to 10 whole number, 3 over 5. There's nothing we can do here because there's a number that can divide 3 and 5. So this is our final answer. Remember, if you've not liked and subscribed if you not like the video and you've not subscribed to this channel, you are not doing us any good. Also, do well to share this video to anyone who you think might need it. Okay, and do well, please make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever we drop another video, another very impactful video. So let's go to the next question. Okay, so the next question here, we have 5.1q minus 3.2 is equal to 32.5. So we have to do it in decimal form. Okay, so let's try this decimal now. We have 5.1q. Our goal is to make q stand alone. So we are going to cross this minus 3.2 over to the right hand side. And remember, when crossing is the plus sign, the minus sign will change to plus. So this is equal to 32.5 plus 3.2. So we have 5.1q is equal to 32.5 plus 3.2 will give us 35.7. So we have 35.7. Remember, our goal is to make q stand alone. We are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of q here, which is 5.1. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of q, which is 5.1, we have divided by 5.1. So 5.1 we cancel out, then your q is now standing alone. Your q will now be equal to 35.7 divided by 5.1 will give you 7. So 7 is our final answer. Now lastly, we have an equation that involves fraction. When you have an equation like this, the first thing you have to do is to eliminate the fractions here. After eliminating the fraction, you can now simplify. So how do we eliminate the fraction? You have to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple of the denominators, or the fractions there. So in this case, we only have two fractions, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. In a situation where you have more than two fractions, find the lowest common multiple, the LCM of all the fractions. That's the first thing you have to do, so that will help you eliminate the fraction. Now, what's the LCM of 2 and 4? That's 4, right? So the LCM is 4. So we are working with 4 here. So we are going to multiply every single term here by 4. So we have 4 times 1. We also have minus, that's in 4 times x over 2 is equal to minus 4 times 1 over 4. You multiply everything by 4. Okay, so let's go. 4 times 1 will give us 4. We have 4 here. Then 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. So you have 2 times x will give you, that will give you 2x. So minus 2x. Now this is equal to 4 minus 4 times 1. The 4 we cancel out. because that's multiplication. So you are left with minus 1. Very good. So if you have minus 1 here, then you are going to cross this your 4, which is a positive 4 now, over to this side, and it becomes minus 4. So you have minus 2x minus 2x is equal to minus 1. This is your plus 4 becomes minus 4. So minus 4. So minus 1 minus 4. And you have minus 2x is equal to minus 1 minus 4. This is minus 1 minus 4, not minus 1 times minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 will give us minus 5. Then what's the next thing? We have to make x stand alone, and the best way to do that, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. So divide both sides by minus 2, and then by minus 2. Minus 2 will cancel out. Then you have your x to be equal to minus 5. So the minus signs will also cancel out because you have minus minus. So a minus divided by minus will give you plus. So you have 2 into, so you have 2 number 1 over 2. So this is our final answer. Now remember, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do that so that you will get notified whenever we drop such insightful videos like this. And also do well to like, then drop your comments if you have any question or have any complaint on the comment section. Okay, all right, so let me give you something to try on. After trying it, you can drop your answer on the comment section. So this is the assignments. You can just try them out on your own and do well to drop your answer in the comment section. If you encounter any challenge when trying to solve it, do well to also reach out to me, or you drop your answer in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.